You think the multiverse is just something you see in Marvel movies? Well, think again. Astronomers have found a genuinely weird cold spot out in the universe, and some of them think it might be a bruise from when another universe literally slammed into ours. Yeah, you heard that right. Space might actually have a black eye. It's one of the most bizarre and fascinating mysteries in modern cosmology. When scientists first started mapping the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is essentially the leftover heat from the Big Bang, the universe's baby picture, they expected it to be pretty uniform. A little warmer here, a little cooler there, but generally consistent. But what they found was suspicious. There's this one massive region that is way, way colder than it has any right to be. It's like you opened your fridge and found a portal to the Antarctic inside. Everywhere else is relatively warm and fuzzy, following the standard model of cosmology perfectly. But this spot? It's ice cold, enormous, and mysteriously empty. It's so out of place that it's been nicknamed the cold spot. It's a genuine anomaly that our current understanding of the universe struggles to explain. Is it just a statistical fluke, or is it a clue to something much, much bigger? Okay, here's where things get really cosmic and a little bit mind-bending. One of the leading theories about the birth of our universe is called cosmic inflation. The idea is that in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light, going from a subatomic speck to a gargantuan size almost instantly. Now, if this inflation is eternal, as some theories suggest, then our universe isn't the only one that popped into existence. Instead, picture an infinite cosmic soda, constantly fizzing. New universes are constantly bubbling up out of a larger metaverse. We're just one bubble in an endless cosmic foam. So what happens when two of these bubbles, two separate universes, bump into each other? According to some physicists, they'd leave a mark. The collision would send out ripples of energy, and where they touched, it would create a scar, a cold, dense region in the cosmic microwave background. It's like one universe saying to the other, "Oops, sorry bro, didn't see you there," and leaving a cosmic bruise behind. That's exactly what the cold spot looks like. So, how strong is the evidence? It's definitely juicy, but it's not a slam dunk yet. When the WMAP satellite, and later the Planck satellite, scanned the sky in greater detail, they confirmed the cold spot's existence. What's more, some analyses suggest it's surrounded by a ring of slightly hotter regions, which is exactly what you'd expect to see from the ripples of a cosmic collision. It's like a shockwave frozen in time from the dawn of the universe. Some scientists are convinced this is the smoking gun, proof that something big and powerful pushed on our universe from the outside. But others are more skeptical. They argue that it could just be a cosmic coincidence, a 1 in 1,000 statistical fluctuation that looks significant but isn't. The universe is a vast place. Weird things are bound to happen. However, every time physicists run computer simulations of two bubble universes colliding, they produce a signature that looks almost exactly like the cold spot. Coincidence? Or are we looking at a 13.8 billion-year-old cosmic crime scene? This whole idea forces us to adopt a new, mind-boggling cosmic perspective. It suggests that our universe, with its billions of galaxies and trillions of stars, might not be the only show in town. We might just be one bubble in an endless, frothing cosmic bath. And each of those other bubbles could be a completely different universe, with its own unique laws of physics. Maybe in one, gravity is stronger. In another, there are 4 spatial dimensions instead of 3. And maybe, just maybe, in one of those infinite other universes, there's another version of you, living a completely different life. Perhaps in another universe, you're an astronaut exploring a distant galaxy. Somewhere out there, another you might have just hit the subscribe button on this channel twice, and to that, I say, thanks, other you. We appreciate the support wherever you are in the multiverse. But here's the ultimate cliffhanger. We can't see past the edge of our own observable universe. The light from anything beyond that cosmic horizon hasn't had time to reach us in the 13.8 billion years since the Big Bang. So, no telescope, no matter how powerful, can peek outside our cosmic bubble to see if other universes are really out there. Is that cold spot a real, tangible bruise from a collision with a sister universe? Or is it just a statistical ghost, a random fluctuation that our pattern-seeking human brains are giving too much meaning to? We may never know for sure. Either way, the possibility that the multiverse is real is less like a Marvel movie plot and more mind-blowing than we can possibly imagine. So, if you just learned that our universe might have a cosmic black eye, do us a favor and hit that like button before another universal collision happens. And be sure to subscribe for more cosmic comedy, where we explore the weirdest and most wonderful science the cosmos has to offer. And thanks for watching.